Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the OReillyAuto.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to O'Reilly Auto Parts, its website lets customers shop online for automotive replacement parts, maintenance products, tools, accessories, chemicals, and other vehicle-related products. Customers can shop online and choose between picking up eligible orders at a nearby O'Reilly Auto Parts store or having qualifying products shipped to their home. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. OReillyAuto.com carries products for vehicle repair and maintenance, including replacement parts, batteries, brakes, filters, fluids, chemicals, tools, and automotive accessories. Customers can enter their vehicle information when shopping to help identify compatible parts. However, O'Reilly notes that errors in vehicle and part information can occasionally occur, so customers should still verify that a product is appropriate for their specific vehicle and repair. For customers who need their parts locally, O'Reilly offers buy online, pick up in-store. Customers can check availability at a nearby store, purchase eligible products online, and wait for a second email confirming that the order is ready before going to the store. A valid photo ID is required when collecting the order. Free curbside pickup is also available. Customers can place an eligible pickup order and contact their selected store after arriving to have the order brought outside. O'Reilly also provides ship to home. According to its current policy, most qualifying orders totaling at least $35, excluding core charges, can receive free ground shipping. Some products are excluded because of factors such as their size, weight, type, or shipping requirements. Next-day home shipping can also be available for eligible products and destinations. O'Reilly states that delivery dates are estimates rather than guarantees, and final eligibility is determined during checkout. Same-day delivery is available for qualifying orders in designated zip codes. Pricing for same-day delivery depends on the individual order, including factors such as product weight and dimensions, with the final charge and estimated arrival time displayed during checkout. O'Reilly also operates ORewards, its free loyalty program. Eligible members currently earn 1 point for every dollar spent on qualifying purchases made in stores or online. After accumulating 150 points, members receive a $5 ORewards reward. ORewards members can also receive exclusive offers and bonus point promotions. Rewards can be redeemed on most eligible purchases at O'Reilly stores or through OReillyAuto.com. Points generally expire at the end of the month 1 calendar year after they are earned, while issued rewards currently expire 90 days after issuance. O'Reilly stores also provide several automotive services. Depending on the service and applicable requirements, these include check engine light testing, battery testing, alternator and starter testing, wiper blade installation, fluid and battery recycling, and a loaner tool program. For returns, O'Reilly's current policy allows customers to request a refund for eligible products within 90 days of the original purchase date. The original receipt is required, and the product generally needs to be in its original packaging with the materials originally supplied with it. O'Reilly can refuse a refund when a product has been installed or used but remains in working condition. Online purchases can generally be returned to an O'Reilly Auto Parts store in the United States or Puerto Rico. Eligible shipped purchases can also be returned by mail after receiving a return material authorization. Customers are generally responsible for return shipping costs, and original shipping charges are non-refundable under the standard policy. Same-day delivery purchases need to be returned in a store, and any optional tip provided to the delivery driver is not refundable. Some automotive products can also involve core charges. These charges are separate from the product price and generally relate to returning an eligible used component after purchasing a replacement. Product prices, promotions, inventory, ORewards benefits, shipping options, warranties, and return requirements can change, so users should check O'Reilly Auto Parts' current information and individual product details before purchasing. For users interested in shopping for automotive replacement parts, maintenance products, tools, and vehicle accessories, O'Reilly Auto Parts could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.